If media and Twitter speculations is to be believed, Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, the founder of pro-Khalistan outfit Six for Justice, is reportedly untraceable since 48 hours. This comes a day after Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar was shot dead in Canada by two bike-borne assailants. Nijjar was the top leader of the Khalistani Tiger Force. He was the third Khalistani terrorist who got killed in the recent months. Many Twitter users claim that Pannu is missing for more than 48 hours. However, there is no official report or confirmation available in this regard. Some users also claim that Pannu has gone underground due to fear after the recent killings of Khalistani terrorists. As per recent reports, the unexpected demise and elimination of prominent Khalistani leaders have resulted in a decline in the size and influence of Khalistani terror organizations operating in the United Kingdom and Canada. The government has placed significant efforts into apprehending Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, a key figure in these outfits. It has been reported that a team from the National Investigation Agency is currently in the United Kingdom addressing the matter through diplomatic channels. Six for Justice group has been in news in India for causing unrest and violence in states such as Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. It all began in late April 2022 when two groups clashed in Punjab's Patiala over an anti-Khalistan march. Two people, including a policeman, were injured in the clashes that broke out over SFJ's call to mark Foundation Day of Khalistan on 29th April 2022. Then on 9th May the same year, the hill state of Himachal Pradesh was on edge when Khalistan flags were found tied on the main gate of the assembly complex in Dharamshala and slogans were scrawled on its walls. It had been reported that the SFJ had called for a Khalistan referendum on 6 June in Himachal Pradesh. A lawyer by profession, Pannu reportedly hails from Khankot, a village in Punjab's Amritsar district. He formed the Six for Justice in 2007 in the US. The aim of SFJ was to be an international advocacy and human rights group with the express intent of achieving self-determination for the Sikh people in their historic homeland in the region of Indian-held Punjab and establishing a sovereign state popularly known as Khalistan. In 2014, using his legal background, he started filing cases against Indian political leaders traveling to the US or Canada, including against former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, Congress Chief Sonia Gandhi, Shiromani Akali Dal's Sukhbir Singh Badal, and even against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He also filed a case against former Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh, due to which he had to cancel his Canada visit in 2016. Pannu truly grabbed eyeballs in 2018 when he announced in London for a referendum in 2020 to liberate Punjab that currently is occupied by India. The very next year, the Indian government banned Pannu's group, the SFJ, under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The Home Ministry had then noted, in the garb of so-called referendum for six, SFJ is actually espousing secessionism and militant ideology in Punjab while operating from safe havens on foreign soils and actively supported by inimical forces in other countries. After declaring the SFJ illegal in India, Pannu was designated as a terrorist under UAPA in 2020 along with 8 others. The centre had then said, these individuals are involved in various acts of terrorism from foreign soil. They have been trying to revive militancy in Punjab. Other pro-Khalistani groups have kept their distance from Pannu and the SFJ. The Dal Khalsa and Shiromani Akali Dal Amritsar have accused him of luring youngsters in Punjab into carrying out his activities by paying them money while himself enjoying diplomatic immunity from arrest as he is a US citizen. It is not yet confirmed whether he is really untraceable or it is just a buzz.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.